Welcome back to Autoscope. The Newmar Dutch Star 2026 is one of the best-selling diesel motorhomes in North America. External: the exterior of the Dutch Star 2026 is elegant and aerodynamic. It is protected by CLEARCOAT Body Protection Film and features a long-lasting exterior paint job with a masterpiece finish. It features a liquid propane tank and a Girard instantaneous water heater system. A 10,000-watt Cummins Onan diesel generator for reliable power. The full-weight is covered in LED headlights and taillights. Girard Nova awnings use wind sensors for further convenience and security. A range of conveniently located LED-lit outdoor storage options. Interior: each floor plan features a queen or king-size bed, a pillow-top mattress, and LED TV, and a huge walk-in closet. The Dutch Star 2026 is every cook's ideal kitchen. It has a dishwasher, solid surface counters with a backsplash, a 2 or 3 burner induction or gas cooktop, a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, and a stainless steel microwave convection oven. Cozy living space: the living area features a sofa that can be used as a bed, comfortable seats, and a retractable LED TV. Heating and cooling system: state-of-the-art Dometic heating and cooling system with independent controls for every zone. There are LED TVs in the bedroom and living area, and a top-of-the-line Harman JBL sound system with speakers indoors and out. Ceramic flooring: the inside is decorated with tasteful, easily maintained ceramic flooring. You can select from for new interior color schemes: Barrington, Carrington, Kennett, and Whitmore. The exclusive Comfort Drive steering technology from Newmar makes driving easier and less stressful. The 10.25-inch touchscreen screens have navigation, voice control, and a 360-degree camera. The Dutch Star 2026 comes equipped with cutting-edge safety technologies like ABS disc brakes, traction control, and a collision warning system. The user-friendly touchscreen control panel allows you to handle all of the RV's features, including the lighting and heating.